Hello, I'm Cedric West. I am the owner of CS West and Associates PA. I am a CPA as well as a QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor, and I offer QuickBooks solutions and business consulting to businesses all across the United States. And today I'm going to show you how to enter a refund receipt. And this is when you need to give one of your customers a refund. And so you will record it into QuickBooks as a refund receipt. Now, you may have heard of a credit memo before, um, and the difference between those two when it comes to QuickBooks is that you're going to use the credit memo if you're going to give your customer or issue them a store credit, in which I have a video on that on how you create a credit memo. So for this purpose, we have the dashboard here. You're going to select the plus icon. You're going to select where it says refund receipt. And for the most part, everything is self-explanatory, but what you would do, you would enter in the customer that you're issuing the refund to. You would choose the date. You would choose the payment method. Did you do it? Did you return it via on credit card, or did you give her cash back, or did you write her a check? Things of that nature. So you'll Discover, MasterCard, Visa. So in this case, let's go ahead and say that we gave a cash. We gave a cash back, and we're going to choose the account in which we want the refund to come out of. So in this case, let's choose the checking. Now, if this is a check, you will enter the check number if it's handwritten, or if you have to QuickBooks checks, just go ahead and select print later, and this check number would automatically update. But for this sample, we're using cash, and if I switch to check, it's the same thing, just the payment method, what payment method that I'm using, or if I choose American Express, that's the payment method that I use to refund them. If I'm going to refund them through American Express, and I'm choosing the checking account, but in this case, I'm just going to give them cash back. And so this is for the design that I did. Refund customer. You can just put in your descriptions. You could be more detailed to say reason why. Say because I missed the deadline. I'm giving her a refund because I missed the deadline, so that's why she wants her refund back, and I charged her $180. Just make sure everything looks okay. If you want to give them a message here, you could go ahead and do so. And you could, in this memo area, you could use that as a way to help you remember why they had the refund. Or otherwise, you can see it here on the description. So after you take a look at everything, make sure you have the right customer, the refund date, the payment method, the account in which the refund is coming from, the product or services, and the description. And make sure that the amount is correct. You can add in any attachments, anything of that nature, any correspondence like emails, or if you have handwritten that you're going to give them a refund on a piece of paper and you scan it in and upload it, you could use that as an attachment. And so what you would do, just make sure if it is taxable or not. If this is taxable, you just choose that it's tax, and you're going to give them that right amount. The full 194.40. Now, if it's in Tuscan, it just all depends on where. But for this case, this won't be taxable. So once you're done, and once everything is looking well, you're going to select Save and Close. Now to see exactly where the refund went, you're going to go to the customer list. So go to Sales, Customers, and choose Amy's Bird. Make sure you go where it says Transaction List. Go to the date in which you refunded, and you will see the transaction here. I'll hide this right quick. So you see the date, the type, it's a refund. What's the number? There's no due date. the balance, and how much that you actually paid them. I gave them $180 back in cash, and so you can see the status that it was paid, and then you'll see the refund. And so what happens is that QuickBooks it automatically refunds it automatically added to your records. So that's it. So now it's your turn. If you ever have to experience, or if you're ever in a situation where you need to refund a customer or a client for product or services, then you would use this feature, the refund receipt method in QuickBooks Online, to properly account for refunds that you issue your customers. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. My details is um, going to be below. Give me a call, email me. Just let me know if you need any assistance or help, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.